Hey guys, welcome to my channel, where we tackle all things automotive, from the simple to the complex. Today, we're discussing a topic that affects almost every car owner at some point. Oil leaks. Ever notice that dark, mysterious puddle forming under your car after it's been parked? That unsightly stain on your otherwise pristine driveway? It's not just a stain, it's your engine trying to get your attention, warning you that something isn't quite right. That little drip is a cry for help. Ignoring it can lead to some serious consequences. Oil is your engine's lifeblood. It's the essential lubricant that keeps everything running smoothly, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear on all those intricate moving parts. Without enough, or with contaminated oil, friction and heat can skyrocket, and that can destroy vital parts fast. We're talking about pistons, bearings, and crankshafts, the heart of your engine. And it's not just about mechanical damage. Even a small leak, believe it or not, can lead to engine fires. If oil drips onto hot components like the exhaust manifold or catalytic converter, that's a recipe for disaster. Plus, let's not forget the environmental impact. Oil on your driveway is a slip hazard for you and your family, and it's also an environmental problem, contaminating groundwater and harming wildlife. So, what's the plan? How do we tackle this oily menace and keep our cars running smoothly and our environment clean? Today, I'll show you how to spot, diagnose, and fix oil leaks. No pro tools required. We're going to empower you to take control of your car's health and save some serious money in the process. We'll break down what causes leaks, from worn-out seals to loose connections, how to find them using simple techniques, and the best DIY fixes that you can tackle in your own garage. You don't need to be a master mechanic with years of experience. Just a little know-how, a willingness to get your hands dirty, and some basic tools that you probably already have in your garage. So, grab your wrenches, put on your work gloves, and let's get started and save your engine, your money, and your driveway. It's time to say goodbye to those oil leaks once and for all. So, what exactly constitutes an oil leak? It's a common term, but understanding the specifics is crucial for any car owner. We often see the telltale signs, a dark puddle forming under your parked car, or perhaps the acrid smell of burning oil wafting from under the hood. But what's really happening inside your engine when an oil leak occurs? In simple terms, it's when oil, the lifeblood of your engine, escapes from where it should be securely sealed inside. Think of your engine as a complex network of pathways and chambers, all designed to keep the oil circulating efficiently. Your engine relies on a network of gaskets, seals, and O-rings, each playing a vital role in maintaining this sealed environment. These components act as barriers, preventing oil from seeping out of the engine's internal passages. They're designed to withstand high temperatures and pressures, ensuring that the oil stays where it's needed most. However, over time, these seals can degrade due to age, heat, or wear and tear. When these critical components fail, even in the slightest way, oil seeps out, leading to a leak. Oil's primary job is to lubricate the many moving parts within your engine, reducing friction and preventing wear. But it doesn't stop there. Oil also plays a crucial role in cooling the engine by dissipating heat and cleaning by carrying away harmful contaminants and debris. If you lose too much oil due to a leak, you risk overheating your engine, which can lead to major and often very expensive damage. Low oil levels mean less lubrication, resulting in more friction between moving parts. This increased friction generates more heat and accelerates wear on critical engine components, ultimately leading to potentially catastrophic and expensive repairs down the road. Furthermore, oil acts as a cleaning agent, carrying away contaminants, dirt, and metal particles that accumulate within the engine. If your oil level is consistently low due to a leak, its ability to clean is compromised, and your engine gets dirtier and faster, leading to sludge buildup and reduced performance. That's why fixing an oil leak isn't just about stopping a drip and preventing a mess on your driveway. It's about proactively protecting your engine's entire ecosystem and ensuring its long-term health and performance. Most oil leaks come from worn gaskets or seals. Valve cover gaskets get brittle and crack over time, letting oil escape, Oil pan gaskets and drain plug washers can fail, especially after years of oil changes. Crankshaft and camshaft seals wear out, especially on high-mileage engines. Even a loose or double-gasketed oil filter can cause a big mess. Don't forget the simple stuff. A loose oil cap or drain plug can be the culprit. Always check the easy fixes first before assuming the worst. Alright, time to put on your detective hat. We're going on a hunt for the elusive oil leak. It's a common problem, but finding the source can sometimes feel like solving a mystery. Don't worry, with a systematic approach, we can track it down. Remember this simple rule: oil flows down and back, following the path of least resistance thanks to gravity. This is your primary clue in this investigation. Think of it like a river, always seeking the lowest point. So, logically, you should always start your search at the highest point where you see fresh oil. Don't just focus on the drips at the bottom. The real culprit is usually lurking above. Look for telltale signs like wet spots or grime buildup. Ensure you clean your engine thoroughly with a good degreaser. This is a crucial step. A dirty engine is like a cluttered crime scene. A clean engine makes spotting new leaks much easier. You'll be able to distinguish fresh oil from old grime, making your investigation far more effective. It's like wiping the slate clean, giving you a fresh perspective. After cleaning, start the engine and let it run for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will allow the oil to circulate and any leaks to become more apparent. Keep a close eye on the engine as it warms up. Now, grab a flashlight and a mirror. These are your essential tools for getting into those hard-to-reach places. Start your inspection from the top down, systematically checking each potential leak point. Pay close attention to the valve cover, a common culprit in oil leaks. Check the gasket for any signs of damage or wear. Don't forget the oil filter. Make sure it's properly tightened and that the gasket is in good condition. A loose or damaged oil filter can cause a significant leak. Finally, inspect the oil pan. Look for any signs of damage or leaks around the drain plug. Keep your eyes peeled for fresh, wet oil trails. These are your breadcrumbs, leading you closer to the source of the problem. Follow them carefully. Those trails will eventually lead you directly to the source of the leak. It's like following a map to buried treasure. If you're dealing with particularly stubborn leaks that are hard to pinpoint, consider adding UV dye to your engine oil. This is a great trick for those really difficult cases. Then, grab a blacklight and scan the engine. The UV dye will glow brightly under the blacklight, making even the smallest leaks easy to spot. It's like having a superpower for finding leaks. Ultimately, a clean engine and a careful, methodical inspection are your best tools in this oil leak investigation. Take your time, be patient, and you'll find that pesky leak in no time. Found the leak? Many fixes are simple. First, check and gently tighten bolts on the valve cover or oil pan. Don't overdo it. If that doesn't work, replace the gasket. Clean both surfaces before installing the new one. For minor leaks from old seals, a reputable oil stop leak additive can buy you time. Replace the oil drain plug washer at every oil change. It's cheap insurance. Always torque bolts and plugs to spec to avoid stripping threads or crushing gaskets. Small fixes now prevent big headaches later. Know your limits. Some leaks need a pro. If the leak is from the rear main seal or requires removing the engine or transmission, call a mechanic. Cracked engine parts or milky oil, a sign of a blown head gasket, are serious. Don't DIY these. Major repairs need special tools and experience. There's no shame in letting a pro handle the tough jobs. Your goal, a safe, reliable car, not a risky repair. Prevention is key. Regular oil changes with quality oil and filters keep seals healthy. Always use a new drain plug washer and lubricate the oil filter gasket before installing. Use a torque wrench to avoid over-tightening. Keep your cooling system in top shape. Overheating destroys gaskets. Drive gently until your engine warms up. Cold oil doesn't flow well. Smart habits and routine checks are the best way to avoid leaks and costly repairs. That's it. A complete guide to finding and fixing oil leaks. Share your stories and tips in the comments. Your experience helps others. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY guides. Remember, fixing your own car is rewarding and saves money. Don't let a little oil leak intimidate you. Get out there and take control of your car's health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.